Okay, large subscribers, World Wide Web YouTubers, guys, if I were being totally honest, I would say God only knows how you ended up on this page. If I were being totally honest, unless you guys are finding it on one of my YouTube channels. And the reason I say that is because there are literally thousands of ways you guys could have got to this page. On this page, guys, I'm going to be talking about secondsplash.com. I'm going to do a secondsplash.com review. And we're going to talk about how to get massive exposure, generate viral traffic, and actually perpetuate and generate viral leads. Okay. So, how does secondsplash.com work, right? I want to talk to you guys about that because I want you guys to really, really understand it and how it's actually capable of generating massive exposure, viral traffic, and leads. Okay. Because, first of all, guys, understand that it's a proprietary splash page builder. That's just one of the things that it is, right? And so when you have the actual membership, and you can come in here absolutely free, by the way, and you can start creating your own splash pages, okay? But it's a lot more than that, guys, okay? And now we're going to talk a little bit about the viral component in terms of the exposure and the massive traffic that you can generate. I'm going to show you guys a demo and what can happen, and actually what will happen when you start driving traffic into the actual system. Now, this is in addition to just going out and starting to build your own splash pages, okay? You can do that inside the software. But now, when we talk about the exposure, lead generation, list building, traffic. Well, sit tight, guys, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what it is I'm talking about. First, we're going to run over to some of the actual lead capture pages that you're actually going to be given once you're a member inside of secondsplash.com. And I always like to pull them up, a couple of them, because I actually love these splash pages. And it's a great way to really, really get people to actually literally stop dead in their tracks because they're so colorful and they can be powerfully effective, particularly when we start talking in the next videos about how we're going to start driving massive traffic into this actual system. And that's in addition to all the other cool things you'll be able to do inside the membership, guys, okay? So, guys, we're building these pages, right? And these are actually given to you. They're done for you guys. And you're simply bringing people into the actual. I'm going to take you guys over there real quick to show you what happens when you do that. Naturally, guys, your prospects will give you their name, right? And they will actually submit and they will ask for more information. Once that prospect does that, guys, they come onto the page. By now, a lot of you guys, if you don't know Bruce Baxter, you should know him, okay? He's the creator of Easy Cash for Ads, guys, and this is Easy Cash for Ads on steroids. So when your potential prospects come through the actual system, they'll see everything that it is you're seeing right now. Understand that, right? It will personalize all of your messages for you guys. It just doesn't get much better than that when it comes to marketing. I shot Bruce an actual testimonial the other day, and I'm actually on that testimonial, and this is just how I feel about secondsplash.com. And I sent it to Bruce, and he put it on the website. But what I'm saying, guys, is I'm an internet marketer, I'm a direct sales entrepreneur, guys, okay? I've been around the block a few times, you guys know that. But this is massive exposure, lead capture, traffic diversification on steroids, right? I told you guys I stand by that. That's why it's on the page. That's why I wrote it. Now, guys, let's get into the actual demo. Okay, let's get into an actual demo because I want to actually run through what actually happens when you start creating your own capture pages, or should I say your own splash pages. Let's back up one. When you start creating your own splash pages, after this is just sending down right now, you're just sending people into the system, into the traffic, right? You want to start, you want to put some gas in this bad boy, right? So when people start coming through, they're going to see splash pages, right? And you can create them, and that's just a capture page right there. But watch this, guys. Watch this right here. I'm going to show you guys exactly what happens as you start firing up your actual splash pages. So let's click and watch what happens. This is what your prospects can actually be experiencing, okay? Because your actual splash pages are promoted by the people that you bring in. And so this thing perpetuates itself. So because your pages are going to continually be promoted by the people that you're bringing in, then that's a great way to create some exponential growth in your business in terms of exposure, in terms of traffic, in terms of leads, right? And in terms of cash, guys, because we actually have an affiliate component tied into the actual marketing system. Now, any one of these two pages, once we start driving traffic, your prospects will have an opportunity to click. Some people might click both of them, guys. I'm just going to click one of them, right? Either way, guys, you're piggybacking off everybody that you're actually bringing into the system, and we're able to drive mad traffic into our lead capture pages. We're able to drive mad traffic into the secondsplash.com marketing system and allow it, right? Allow it to go out and work for you guys, okay? Because remember, you're not the only one, right? Your business, your exposure, the expansion of the amount of traffic and leads that you can generate has no ceiling, because now your business is truly growing exponentially for every single person you bring into the system that fires up traffic and sends it into the funnel, right? And so I want you guys to truly, truly understand. And we're going to look at it one more time and understand this is exactly, this is the process. This is what happens as you bring people into secondsplash.com using this phenomenal system. Big thumbs up to Bruce. Big thumbs up to Bruce again. I'm loving this system. I'm inviting you guys into one of two marketing systems that I'm building out in addition to this. One inside of the HBA Funnel Builder and one inside of the actual LeadsLeap platform. And the reason I'm doing that is because some people don't want to do the share codes. I got you. So I'll be building out replicated sites. That's why I say I don't know how you got to this site. Whoever sent you here, though, guys, go on an email. I'm going to give them a call and thank them. And then follow the instructions in the videos below this video. And let's talk about firing up our secondsplash.com membership sales funnel. I'll see you guys in that video.